Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm on holiday here in Las Palmas in Gran Canaria, and today I'm going to be cooking up a paella. I don't want to upset any of our Spanish friends. This is not an authentic paella, it's just the way I'm going to cook one while I'm on holiday. So for this recipe we're going to need about half a litre of stock that we've got here. This is chicken stock, and we're going to need the appropriate rice. Well, this is a rice for paella, but you can use any rice of your choice really. Over here we have some pre-cooked chicken, and we need some prawns. Here they are. Now we're going to need some paprika, a lemon, some clams, some peppers that have been cut into these chunks here. I've got yellow and I've got red. I've got some tomatoes cut down about the same size, and some onions cut the same size, and we've got some chopped up garlic here. Now also we've got this locally bought beautiful saffron here that we bought in the local supermarket in Spain, and we're going to use that too. So for this meal, ideally you want a paella dish, but we haven't got one, so we're going to use whatever we can find in this apartment where we're staying. You can use any dish that you wish. So off we go. We get a pan on the hob, put in a little drop of cooking oil, not too much, and then we can go in with the onions. We'll pop these onions into the pan along with the garlic, and we're just going to cook these down for about 3 minutes till they start to become a little bit soft, a little bit translucent, and then we can move on to the next step, which is pop in the peppers. Well, that sounds good, doesn't it? Pop in the peppers. Pop in the tomatoes too, don't forget them, at least 2 of them. Now we'll give this a mix round, and then, ta-da, we go in with the rice. Now this is an important step, because what you've got to do, you've got to move this rice around. You want to get each grain of rice covered with a little bit of that oil. Now here's our saffron, locally purchased. We want a hefty pinch of that, pop that in. There's a paprika, we'll put in plenty of this, I don't know, about a tablespoon I suppose, and then we can go with our stock, about half a litre, more if it dries out. We're going to stir this around. Now what's going to happen is, as it cooks very slowly, the rice is going to puff up like this and get a really good colour on it. Then we can go in with the prawns. Now these prawns are pre-cooked, bought them at the local supermarket just around the corner from where we're staying. So we're going to stir those in. You can see the rice is starting to thicken up now, and it's all getting such a nice colour. You know, you get the colour from saffron, from paprika. Then we can go in with the clams. Now before you say, oh, some of them are open, well, these actually come from the frozen area. I've never used these before. This is a first for me, but you don't have to worry about them being open. Then we can go in with our pre-cooked chicken. Once you've done that, on with the lid, and we're going to leave that to cook for another 20 minutes, something like that. I mean, basically the chicken and the prawns are already cooked. You've just got to cook through the clams and get those flavours infused into everything that you've got in this pan, and then we can start to plate up. I love the look of that. Look at that colour. Ooh, this little sneaky prawn right on the top there. Now we can start to make this dish look good. Some lemon wedges around the outside. Pop those on nice and neatly. There we go. A few shots of this delicious dish. This is a meal for 4. Very cheap, I might add. Didn't cost much at all. A few euros, not a lot. Now for our taste test. And boy, am I going to enjoy this. Wow. Those flavours are really in there. A really local dish. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.